Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the multi-layered poster mockup in Photopea. Let's first go to photopea.com in any web browser, and then you just click Open from Computer and open the mockup. I already have it open in this tab, and we're going to be doing a lot in this Layers panel. So if you don't see the Layers panel, just go to Window and then click on Layers to bring it up. And then you just want to click the arrow next to the desired layout. And that's going to expand the layer group. And then you can just double click the thumbnail icon in the design dash layer, and that's going to bring up the smart object where you can add your design. Then we're just going to go to File, Open, and find the design. And then I'll go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and then I'll click back on the smart object and go to Edit, Paste, and you might need to size it down a little bit. So then I'll go to Edit, Free Transform. I'm just going to press Ctrl- on a PC to size it down. On a Mac it would be Command-. I'm just clicking and dragging any one of the four corners. And then once you've got it sized, you can just go to File, Save Smart Object. And once it says Smart Object Updated, you can click the X to close the Smart Object tab, and then click the X to close your original graphics. And you see the design is on the poster just like that. You can also change the color of the poster. I'm going to click the eye icon to temporarily hide the design, and then I'll double click the thumbnail icon in the color dash layer. That's going to open up our color picker. You can either enter the color values or click anywhere in the gradiated slider to change the lightness and darkness of that color. Then once you have the color you like, you can click OK. If you wanted to adjust the lightness and darkness of the shadows underneath the poster, you could just click the arrow in this Paper Shadows layer group, and then click either of the shadows, and then click the down arrow next to opacity, and just drag the slider to the right to make the shadow darker, or the left to make it more subtle. And depending on which mockup you purchased, you may have different backgrounds available. So you can just click the arrow next to the backgrounds layer group, and then click the eye icons next to each background layer to toggle through the different backgrounds. And when you're done, you can just save it by going to File, Export as JPEG if you want to save a JPEG for use online on websites. You can also go to File, Save as PSD to save a layered PSD with your design in it. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you, and have a great night.